Alright, here's the colorant I'm going to use today, right here. Just came in, it's called Zombie Blood by Lureworks. So we're going to put some of that in, and we're going to kind of go slow. I don't want to add too much of it too fast. It is supposed to be a really cool color changing pigment. Oh, I got to cut the top off. I was wondering about that. Alright, I'm back. Let's start with 3 drops. I know it's not going to be enough, but first time using a color, I just kind of want to get an idea of how it works. Okay. Definitely seeing some purple in there. I'm going to reheat this because I'm scraping the ends off, I can already tell you. Got up the temperature that time. So yeah, it's kind of just, right now, it's so translucent, there's no way to tell what it's like. So I'm going to go ahead and add a little more. Okay, it's almost a brown purple right now. Okay. 2, 3, let's make it 4, so I know it's 10 drops so far. Oh, yep, it just kind of shifted right there. Breaking point. It's still... Oh, so shaky. Okay, 3 more. Oh, that was about 5 more. You know what? That's fine, actually. I think that was a good thing. I'm starting to see a lot more of the tones. Okay. So yeah, it's definitely like a purple blue color. You guys can kind of see that. Trying to decide. Okay, 2 more drops. That should be enough. Okay. I really like that color. I think it might need a little bit more still, but gives me a good baseline. Put this in the microwave. I'm gonna have to reheat it here in a little bit. It's not here yet, but I want to keep it fresh. So, just look at this. Tail is completely see-through. It didn't shoot well, but that's okay. It wasn't really warmed up enough, I'm sure. Probably a profile. Yeah, this isn't thick enough. Let's do some more. All right, let's go ahead. That was really thin. I think we're sitting at around 25 drops at this point. This is about a cup of plastisol, yeah. All right, I actually ended up adding it up to 30 drops total now. So it should be more visible. And also need to remember to push harder on my injector. Going back to the smaller stuff after using the dual and the giant one, I feel like I kind of babied that last run. Okay. This is still going to be a little hot. I know that for a fact. And this, that's fine. Okay, let's check this one out and see if it's any better. Ooh. Yeah, they all shot this time. That's something, but I definitely got a blue flake in there somehow. Okay, let's check them out. Not nearly as hot as I thought. And I can't even... That just sucks when that happens. Okay. It's definitely a purple color. I don't know. This needs a little something. It's a great base. It's kind of natural, but it's still got some of that purple to it. That one I can't even look at, so let's Let's get rid of that. And I think that concentration is good. So I definitely think I want to put some of that silver in there like I thought. I'm really liking it. I mean, it's a beautiful color, guys. So, since we're doing all of these, I finally get to break out my big boy. The big injector. I'm gonna just drop like an entire cup of plastic, no big deal. That barely moved. I'm still blown away by this thing. Here's half of the grubs. And the rippers. Alright, our next mold. Our next mold down here, some grubs. Oh, it opened fast. It's great being able to have it's great being able to have 4 of these come out now at a time. Like you can see, like it almost looks pink on one side and blue on the other, and then it kind of shifts. A neat color. Our last mold is the one that I was probably most unsure about. The ripper. Sorry. The reason I'm doing this, I don't want them to catch glitter on the table or something. You know, I could clean the table, or you know, I could do that. Okay. Different. You know, it's almost like it's a natural purple, as weird as that sounds. I mean, it looks purple, but then like the brownness makes it look almost like, it sounds gross, like meat. You know, I think those are going to be fine. I don't see why those wouldn't catch a fish. They look natural. There's just a little bit of that flake going on. That's neat. I'm glad I did this. This is what we ended up with. Really cool color. It's got some blue to it, some brown. It almost looks purple. It's really nice. That was it without any flake at all. I think the flake was a really good choice on this one. It really makes it pop. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you had a good time. Whoa. Hope you guys had a good time watching. If you guys want to pick any of these up, I'm going to put them up on the Facebook site as well. Well, thank you guys.